it's okay to meet me at the front line. I've got cold feet, winter.
We're on. Alright, hello everybody. Welcome to a Dan Chang vlog. Super excited to bring you along with me and my wife Corinne for the whole day. It's a Saturday. Corinne's gone out running. I'm going to the gym. Because it's a Saturday, it means that I get to train whatever the heck I want to do. So usually for me that's shoulders and arms. I usually train them in my push and pull days, but I want to give them a little bit of special attention because, you know, they feel a bit FOMO. I just don't want them to be, you know, left out. So gotta give them a bit of love. Also, it's been a hot minute since I last vlogged. I'm super excited to start vlogging again. 10 years later down the track, I would want to look back on these videos and be like, so that's what Dan got up to that day, and just, you know, relive some good memory. So if this is a first time for you to watch a video, hit a comment down below or click like, or just send me a message on Instagram. Go follow me on the Flexing Physio on Instagram. All right, let's go hit some arms. It's time for some Lizzo to pump me up. Let's go.
Pocket notebook, I'm nervous. Sometimes I run out of things to say, and it turns out you've got one too. The dinner's gone cold, I don't care. We talk till the morning. I've got no sleep 'cause you drive me wild. 'Cause I know one day we get out of happy house and wake you up for brunch when you're feeling worn out, and we just gotta.
Alright fam, just got done with the gym, but now it's time to fuel my body. So my lovely wife has made me, or she makes me sandwiches to take every day so that I can eat on the way to work. Eggs and avo, and it's really nice. So let's hook in. I'm excited because I'm starving. Alright, let's drive to work, baby. It is currently 9:04 a.m, which means that it only took half an hour to drive to work, which is never the case. Usually it's like 40 minutes at least, maybe because today's a Saturday, who knows. Being that it's a Saturday, I'm only working half day. So let me show you what we do, and I just got to the shop, so let's open up and get the day started. Yo! So don't look at yourself, because obviously you're going to look at this. So you can't be distracted by two good-looking men. This is my colleague, Matthew O'Neill. How does it feel working with Dan Chang?
It's very intimidating. Have you seen
Why?
his legs?
My tree trunks. He's got these triathlon legs. They're nothing but just pure function. Yeah, so that's how you vlog. Alright, so I just got back from work, and it's been a great morning seeing patients and helping them rehab, get gains and help them achieve their goals. So a big shout out to you guys. Corinne has been chilling this morning. What did you get up to this morning?
Nothing.
Yeah, great. So we're gonna have some lunch now. So come eat with us. For lunch, we've got some Mexican rice with just a little bit of rice because I'm kind of watching my carbs, and just some veggies, beans and carrots and whatnot, and a large glass of pink grapefruit and ginger ale with lots of ice. I've been loving it. It's actually so refreshing. Is there anything in my teeth? Okay guys, so I thought I'd take this opportunity to say thank you. If this is your first time tuning into the vlog, I just want to say a big thank you for watching. I used to vlog a lot, And nowadays, and when I say I used to, this was like 5 years ago. So nowadays I'm looking back at my old videos and it's just a good time. Comment down below what you guys want to see. I'll try and make it happen. If you want to see more food vlogs or more day in a life stuff or more workout stuff, although I'm so self-conscious when I film in the gym because I'm aware that some people don't like to be on camera, so I have to point the camera in certain directions and I'm just, yeah, a bit self-conscious. But one day I might change gyms where it's a little bit more vlog friendly. But for now, we've just finished lunch, so I'm gonna make myself an iced coffee and then go upstairs and then do a little bit of computer work. I'm still doing a bit of work with learn.physio, so Saturdays are a good day. Saturdays are a really good day to kind of bang those out. So come with me. Ladies and gentlemen, I'd like to introduce to you my workstation. This is where things get done. This is where boys become men. Yeah.
Hi guys!
We are on our way to Footscray to eat some pho. We got recommended this pho place by one of our good friends, Christine, who's from Vietnam. What's this place called, Corinne?
It's called Pho Thanh Ngan.
I don't think that's what it's called,
We
but
totally butchered it.
I can't wait to take you guys with us. It'll be fun. We are in Footscray and the weather is not the best, so today is actually perfect weather for
What just happened?
the best meal of our life just happened. The first spoonful of pho always hits us.
It was so good. It was hot. It was hearty.
Hot and hearty. I like it.
It is only $15 per bowl, per pho.
$15, which in today's climate, today's market, $15 is very cheap. Usually it's like, if you go to the airport and have a bowl of pho, it's half the size and it'd probably be like $22, $23.
And remember to pay cash.
Yes, bring cash, lots of it. All right, we're back home now and Corinne is making us some waffles, some protein waffles. So I'm looking forward to it. It's gonna be really tasty. We've got a bit of height difference. Every time I'm filming me, she's like,
You can only see my nose.
Her 5 head. Crunchy almond butter.
Almond butter.
Mix.
Full healthy fat.
It's the most bent banana I've seen in my life. Looks a bit wrong, actually. Alright, it is now 8:10 p.m. and Corinne and I were just winding down for the day and just watching some YouTube. We're currently just watching some barista in London making some coffee, just some nice chill vlogs. But hope you enjoyed the vlog. I really enjoyed taking you along with us to, you know, everything that we've done today. So be sure to check us out in the next vlog. But for now, ta-ta!
Bye.